Hello friends, in this video I'll tell you how to slow down video in Edit's Instagram app. Please like and subscribe and let's get started. So let's create some kind of project. Click on the plus sign in the lower right corner, select any video clip, a video with the turtle will do, and add it to the project. The video has been added, and to slow it down, tap on it. The video clip is highlighted in yellow, and there are new video editing buttons at the bottom. At the moment, the video clip is not slowed down, and its duration is about 16 seconds, which is clearly visible above the playback cursor and on the video itself. If we need to slow down the entire video, we simply press the speed button and then move the slider to the left, thereby slowing down the video. And out of the 16 seconds, the video now lasts 2 minutes and 40 seconds. As you can see, we have slowed down the video clip 10 times, and this is the maximum slowdown. Next, click on the check mark on the right, confirming the current setting, and that's it. If we need to slow down a certain part of the video, we first use the split button and cut out the desired part of the video clip from the left, right, or center, it doesn't matter. For example, let's cut out a part of the video from the 5th to the 9th second. So we've divided the video into 3 parts. Select the part that needs to be slowed down, click the speed button and use the slider to slow down this fragment. And as you can see, related to the original video, this fragment lasts unbearably slowly. That's all, now in Ultima.